are thousands of large buildings in India, right? This BMS automation has been there for decades, but still we see that even today, the BMS penetration in India is perhaps less than 5%. I mean, those are some of the statistics we keep hearing, right? Um, what are your views on why BMS penetration is so low, especially in context of countries like India?
So Amarjeet, I have followed this thing being an air conditioning engineer for the last good 30, 35 years. End of the day, unfortunately, the return on investment that we were getting from these kind of systems, showing lovely BMPs, graphics, a fan is rotating and water is being pumped and things like that. It did not really cut very much of ice with the building owners or the building finances. Next, it was meant for the larger projects. I'm say if you had an airport, if you had a large hotel, in fact, the hotel started it in India, and things like that, they went in for the BMS systems. What about the multitude of package unit jobs and smaller systems and computer rooms and, things like that? Those were not covered by BMS. The BMS company handed it over to the customer and it just kept depleting. The service contract rates were enormously high. And there were a lot of customers who said, look, our utility of this system is not enough. Whatever we have, let the chief engineers and others live with it. We are not going to renew the system. So there were a lot of challenges. I think challenges remain in any field that we have. And that is how newer and newer technologies come in. And because cities, not just HVAC systems or building systems, other systems were also getting on to the internet. The internet has become so powerful that IoT emerged. And there are differences. We will talk about the differences. And this is the way the world will move forward.